Yeah, good evening, traders. I am in the members area of Forex Trendy. This is scanner. A scanner that scan the trade and it scan the trends and let you know uh, what is gonna happen for the day or for the week when you're looking at the chart. You know, many of us have been trading and we have been losing a lot of markets, because we don't know when the market is so difficult and in a very choppy condition. you know Most traders, we just want to get money because of one thing or the other, so they don't know how to view it that the market is not good at the time, at a particular time, and they have to avoid trading at that time. Now, it happens to most of us. It happens to me also. I lose a lot of trades, and when I lose, what I find out is that I was trading when I was supposed to avoid the market. So this occurs to me that I got to go find a solution to it. So I got a solution. I got this Forex Trendy. You know, this scanner is so strong and so powerful. What it does is that it will tell you about the trend, where a particular trend is going. It will also tell you about patterns, and it has very powerful signals that it will send to your email address and tell you that a trade have started. You have to go and open the trade. You understand? Now, let me put to you that since I've bought this scanner, I have been able to make like 70% profit of my initial capital. Without this scanner, I've been losing a lot, and I've even lost almost 50% of my capital. And right now I've been able to gain back 90% of my initial capital. Now, let me show you how it goes. All right, this is the machine. This is the scanner that we are talking about. If I zoom up, as you can see, I have like 5 charts that I'm looking at. Based on my settings, I have like 5 charts here. Okay, and what is going on here is that I want to know which trades I'm gonna take for the day or for the week. So what I'm doing here is that when I look at this gold as it is down, this gold is showing me like on 30 minutes chart, gold is moving on an uptrend. Okay, but if I'm gonna take a trade on gold now, I will go to my normal chart and wait for gold when it's going to start going up. Then I pick a position when gold is going to start going up. That is one. And number two, if I am going to enter this gold for this up direction, you understand? Now, what I'm going to do is that while I'm looking at this, 1 minute chart is down, 5 minutes is down, 15 minutes is up, 30 minutes is up, 1 hour it's up, 4 hours is up, daily down, weekly down, monthly down. Now, I don't care about the daily, weekly, or monthly. All I care about is the 1 minute and 5 minute chart. I want them to start looking up. So, sorry. So when they start looking up, I pick up trade for this gold. You see what that is? Very powerful chart, very powerful scanner. Let us take a look at the second one so that you can get a clear picture of what I'm trying to say. Look at silver. It's taking the same movement like gold. Okay? Now, upward assurance here, look at, we have a lot of ups here going up. 1 hour, 4 hours, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, they are up. Now we have to wait for 1 minute to turn up, green up, before we enter up trade for this silver. As you can see, it's coming up with a green candle signifying the up movement will continue very soon. Okay, based on all these signals that you see here. All right. Apart from the trend, apart from showing you the trend, okay, it shows you some patterns. Okay, let's go to patterns. All right, there are different kind of buttons here. You see trend. If you want to take trend, you push the trend. If you want to go to patterns, you go to patterns. You push the button. I'm gonna push it now. Patterns, I push it. Okay, let's go to patterns. As you can see, these are completed patterns. These are patterns that is completing, and these are emerging pattern. These are pattern that is forming. Okay, it's showing us pattern that is forming. Okay, you can set your time frame to any time frame you like. Okay, but I use 5 minute time frame for just a kind of example. Okay, so if I'm gonna pick any trade on this 5 minutes chart, right, this is forming a pattern. What I have to wait for is that I don't need to trade from here, because these are the situation where the market becomes choppy and you don't know what is going on. It's like it's gonna start jumping from here, hitting this line up and start bumping down. And this is where many traders lose money, and this is where we're supposed to avoid the market. This is what this scanner have to show us. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna wait, because I know it's forming a pattern. And this 5 minute chart is signifying the up for buying arrow that we are going to buy. So I cannot buy right now. I have to wait. You see, this green pattern, they are closing. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's folding up. It's folding up. Okay, it's folding. So what I have to do is that I have to wait for it to fold up, to compress. Then I wait for a breakout. So I'm waiting for a breakout pattern which will break to the top. Okay, this is how many traders make money and makes profit. Let me show you something. When you take a look at this one, you see that we're going down based on this arrow signifying that we have to go down. So right now, look how the pattern is forming. Okay, it's forming a kind of pattern here. Okay, it's forming a pattern. Okay, it's like a wedge or a flag. It's like a flag. You understand? Okay, it's a rising wedge. It's forming a rising wedge here. And what is going to happen here is that for us to take a selling position here, I have to wait for this wedge to close its mouth, to squeeze, to fold up. When it fold up, I'm ready to sell. Then I'm ready to make profit. Okay, so what this scanner do is more than what I'm saying here. All right, it also shows you where to exit. Your exit point should be at any target from this place. Actually, I go for this number one target. You understand? If I'm gonna sell, I go for this number one target here. You understand? So we're 0.9820. You understand? So what this does is that this will do a lot than what I'm saying. You understand? But based on your setting, whenever any emerging pattern is completed, this scanner will send email to you on your phone, on your mobile devices, or on whatever. Look at the setting. Look at the setting. Let me show you my setting. From these settings, you can pick any trade you like, any trade you want. Low spreads, you can pick anything you like based on your setting, and that is what it's going to show you. The last 20 bars or the last 40 bars, you can pick anything you like, and you can pick, I pick 10 charts at a goal. I want to see 10 charts at a goal. You can pick any time frames you like based on your setting, and you say it's going to send you a lot. You understand? When the trend drop down, falls below whatever percentage you feel like you want to enter the market, it's going to send you a lot. That is for the trend, and it will let you enter the trade at a favorable time. Now, let us go back to patterns and see what is going on there. Now, this is patterns, okay? I have already set my own market the way I want it. In patterns, what I want to see, I've picked my trades, okay? I want to see 10 charts at a goal, okay? You can set any time frames you like. I only set 5 minutes here because I just use 5 minutes to see what is going on, okay? And then it's gonna alert you when any pattern is completed, okay? And you will see it's gonna send that alert to your email. You understand? To your email address. You see this? Your email address is going to send you that alert to your email address. You understand? Or if you want SMS, you can set your setting through SMS and it's going to alert you direct. And I'm telling you that this machine has never failed me. This machine has never failed me as a trader. This is why I'm putting this out for some traders to take advantage of this simple scanner that make you trade, that bring your trade to be profitable. You understand? We are all traders and we don't need to keep losing money because of choppy markets. You understand? So this is just a short video, introductory video of this Forex Trendy and what it does. So I can say watch out next time for continual version of my video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. That is the alert. This is a completed pattern and this is an alert. As you can see what is going on here, okay? But I think this is the end of my video, and this alert pop up in a good time. So thank you so much. I'm gonna pick the trade. Bye bye.